Oh, let's try that again. I wasn't even recording. Talk about dingbatting, huh? So here we have what you just seen is testing the spectrum analyzer. It was used in the University of British Columbia, as well as that one there. Okay, that's for HF band or gig kilocycles to 30 megacycles, along with an attachment down there to enhance the signal strength. And this guy's been redone too to enhance signal strength. I got both of them in one day at surplus sales called SERF. And I used it in the apartment lab along with that one. You've probably seen me use it in some of the TV show things. Okay, great. And up above it is a signal generator to calibrate this. So it's very widespread, wideband, 75 megacycles to see, basically see what's out there, as well as that one. You can have that option. There's an option here where you can get it at that width, bandwidth. Band spreading. Same with that guy. It's quite fun to listen to and watch the signals come in and that kind of thing. I hooked it up to other devices as well. It's getting noisy out there in an aircraft. I do have the attachments for it, and we've got these guys up high, flexible waveguides, you know. Where am I here with this camera? As they go in here, 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 and the rest is coax. I got a number of these guys. That's there for now, and here's a long one. And then there's an attachment which goes on there as well. Oh, there it is, the end of it. So, flexible waveguide. And to the proper dish antenna. I got a micro dish antenna. It's good for things, but you need a bigger one to amplify it a lot more, you know. 110 volts each one. They're 117 volts, 60 cycle. They do take a lot of energy, all kind of vacuum does that. Okay, so that worked. Both of them work fine. And running coax on the floor here, I got one to the Watkin and Johnson's Spook receiver is its nickname. It's got a little spectrum analyzer as well. And these here too are a little more modern type spectrum analyzers over there with the buttons. They're quite sensitive as well. Now these guys, I have others over there somewhere. You've probably seen it in some of my other videos. Pretty good. They're very sensitive. Now let's say these were checked by UBC when I got them. Get them home. Well, that was a handicap taxi cab. You know, the types that will hold the wheelchair and all that stuff, or even assistance. So I put them in. I used a hand truck. Get them there, lift them in, get to the apartment in Westminster, and unload them. Wow, that's fun. In the basement, car park area, and just sort of unload them. Because some of these wheelchairs, yeah, it did have those. Unload a wheelchair, I unloaded these, and I got them in the elevator, and the elevator didn't sink. Many times we thought it would. My friend Tom Brent would help out. What's that say? X-Files.com and Endgame. They always make the mistake saying it was Mackenzie. No, this is Columbia. HMC is Columbia. So that's a bit of the story on the spectrum analyzers. I can walk over there and look at these a little closer, couldn't I? Maybe you're interested in this stuff. I don't know. Who knows? Oh. Got a lot of options, this fellow. Signal input. And these are all the different calibration things, different decibels, dBm, dBs, and power. Tiny switch for power. Off. 5 kilocycles. And sweep mode. Okay, easy stuff. Off gain. Probe power. It comes had a probe with it. There we go, main tuning. Then, like the other one too, then here you got all the other fine tuning controls. This little room in here. You can use it as a radar too, a certain way, but you gotta transmit. Gotta transmit, so these are the modern ones. And the more modern ones, I'm sure, are a lot smaller. These are about 100 pounds each. Big screen type. But I like the older stuff, so anyway, these were freebies. Auction stuff, you give them stuff for like 5 cents or $1 or something. And yeah, these work just great. So once I get everything organized, it's a big long time still, I think, months. Be all interconnected, like in the apartment laboratory as it's called, but it was the apartment ship. HMCS Hutchison, or USS Hutchison. And there was, all those years, so many film crews come and go, come and go, come and go. TV shows, how many? About 300 or more. Not only there, but in other locations as well, Japan and Germany. I got all the tapes way up there. I don't know if you can see the heads of them. Let's zoom in. Just see them barely. They run along the entire wall. There's more of them there. All that's been transferred to a hard drive. So it's all the way back to the back of the building, the home. Number of tapes. VHS and Peter Von Puckauer Griffin Film Productions upgraded some of them to Super VHS. And it took Nancy weeks to transfer it into computer mode. To upload that would be something. I probably forgot a lot of things I'd done. I saw it briefly, and then it's something I asked Murray, what in the heck is that? That was a chunk of metal falling apart on its own. It's weird stuff. Because I had, I didn't use iPads or anything like that, of course. I don't think iPads were around then, but were they? I don't know. I just used the camera. Anchor it. Turn it on, and I just filmed stuff I was doing. And various variations of cameras, like some modern type that you use a computer to upload the video, no tapes. So I had some of those. I think I used one to film the now famous Iron Block story. I forget. Someone, you're doing stuff all the time with people coming and going. They couldn't put all their stuff in my place. They had to lay it out in the hall, all the camera stuff and lighting and up to sometimes 5 people, 6 people doing the show for a day or 2 or 3. Oh, I get a break maybe of a week or maybe a few days to come and go over the number of years. When was I on the war? Oh yeah, I was on the war. Let me think. I was on the warships in the 90s, so they filmed me on the warship. Yeah, it started in the mid-90s or early 90s. Oh, let's see. I'm trying to find a TV show that somebody was interested in. I don't know if it's uploaded. Some of them are uploaded by other people, not me. I forget some of the names. Beyond Productions and Bruce Burgess, Blue Book Films. Look up Blue Book Films if it's still around. Did a number with him. Triangle Story, lots of Bermuda Triangle stories. Anyway, I gotta really get going, I think. But anyway, I was just doing some tests. See how these things are working these days. They all work good. I spent a lot of time with them, testing and cleaning them up. And some of them are never used. They're just surplus. A lot of surplus stuff's not used. It's sitting there until somebody wants to get rid of it. So, you'll see me in some of the TV shows with this thing running, as well as the other one. I'll check election items for a TV show if they're running this stuff. And I always had high voltage DC and wideband Tesla stuff and magnetic, pulse magnetic fields. My trusty nuclear source, which really interested the Canadian government people. And they explained it, how it worked. Oh, we know how it works. You got this added extra energy source. Oh, well. It's another story for another day. 11 minutes. I had to boost the strength of this desk. We got 3 heavy support beams. So I don't trust. Could collapse. I don't know. I don't know the strength of this kind of particle wood stuff. But 250 pounds, roughly 60 pounds. These are roughly 80 pounds apiece. R39. Yeah, there's a lot of weight on that, so it's kind of interesting. Expecting another shipment coming in of more heavy pieces, probably in 2 weeks from now. Yeah, that's 120 pounds, 120 pounds again. That's about 120 pounds, 25 pounds. Maybe more. So these shells luckily will handle, I'm told, over 1,000 pounds each. It's pretty good. Let's say 3, 3, 3. Yeah, it's okay. And they actually stack them one another too. You can put them to 8 feet high. Which I might do as more stuff keeps coming in over the next many months, years. Anyway, I should go.